In this video, I'll be going over the item locations on the engine companies. Each engine company is the same spec, so although it might be a different truck, all the items will be in the same locations. On the front bumper, you have a supply line, the quick attack line, um, and that's about it. We're going to go down the right side. You have another supply line in the right pump panel, as well as the multiversal. You can watch the videos on how to use these supply lines in the multiversal. We have tutorials for those. On the right side, you have a compartment where you can swap out your air tank. In order to open these roll downs, use the radial menu and click this open close roll down key or button. And here you have an axe and a halligan. Remember, you can equip and return items with the radial menu, which is left control. And this roll down, we have the EMS bag, which is useful for EMS runs and when you have fire victims. The rear right compartment, you have the fire extinguisher, which is useful for putting out smaller fires and things that water isn't really effective. On the if you right click this portable ladder on the engine, it'll bring it down and you're able to press T to equip it and T to return it. If you right click it once again, it'll go back up. Be sure to watch the portable ladder tutorial video to use to know how to use that. And the rear is where you have your hose bed to pull hose line from, as well as the water can. Water can is useful for smaller fires as well. In the back left compartment, you have the hydrant tool, which is essential for opening hydrants to get water supply. On the back left, you also have these hose packs, which are used for standpipe operations. You're not going to be using these very often, but we do want to make them a lot more buildings where you do need to use them. In the rear left, front left compartment, you have the nozzle compartment. This is where you'll find your nozzle to connect to the hose and put fire out. That's that for this side. Just one more tip for engine guys. If for some reason you lose your nozzle and you need one urgently, come to the quick attack line and you already have a nozzle right there. So there you go, guys. That's the engine company. Remember, each engine is the same setup. It might look a little different, but the compartments and all are the same, so the more you know.